Welcome to F-VAPP, the ultimate desktop application designed to streamline operations for factories and workshops in the valve manufacturing and maintenance industry. In valve's maintenance and manufacturing environment, managing multiple departments and production lines can be a daunting task. From receiving batches, technical inspection to advice require repair or production procedures, coding parts after disassembling, costing, pricing, planning and executing production or repair operations, QC testing, monitored external and internal movements of items and parts. The process can be complex, hard to control, and time-consuming. But what if you had a solution that could link all your departments, simplify your operations, and increase efficiency? F-VAPP is a comprehensive application that integrates all aspects of your valve manufacturing and maintenance operations. From receiving batches to planning and executing operations, F-VAPP helps you manage your entire process with ease. With F-VAPP, you can set monthly plans and make informed decisions with automatic costing. Our application also enables quality control, production, maintenance, and follow-up departments to work seamlessly together. By using F-VAPP, you can increase efficiency and productivity, improve technical proposals and decision-making, automate an accurate coding process for valve parts, easily generate reports, automate costing and pricing, improve follow-up and production flow processes, monitor your operations in real time. With F-VAPP, factory managers can see the total monthly remaining load time for each machine and the daily load at work on each machine, ensuring optimal production planning and scheduling. Get ready to take your factory to the next level with F-VAPP, Factory Valves Application. For more information, please do not hesitate to contact me